country.
Beginning threat analysis.
Bottom round. Surprise, mother.
And he answers with a break run of his own.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Back of the rail. Look at this! Hey!
It's the magician, it's Efren Reyes.
Kamusta mga kabilyar? Napakalupit ng laban natin ngayon. Naimbitahan ang ating legend na si Efren Reyes dito sa Crossnest Billiard Hall sa New Hampshire, United States of America. Ito ay para sa isang exhibition at money game laban sa mga top pro players doon. At gaya nga ng inaasahan, nagpasiklab ng mga malulupit na tira at kakaibang mga trick shots ang ating The Magician na si Efren Bata Reyes. Kaya tara, paki-like na ng video at simulan na natin ang matinding bakbakan sa bilyaran. Mga kabilyar, pagod na ba kayo sa mabagal at blocked billiard streams? Mag-Pure VPN na. Over 6,000 servers worldwide for as low as 120 pesos a month. Pili ka ng dedicated IP country mo plus may data removal at 3-day unlimited eSIM data. Click the link below to sign up. Stay secure with Pure VPN.
You remove one of the 7-ball and the 15.
Sige mga kabilyar, simulan na natin itong modified 8-ball match na nilalaro dito sa USA. Para sa mga hindi pa masyadong pamilyar, ang 8-ball ay laro kung saan pipili ka ng grupo ng bola, solids 1 to 7 o stripes 9 to 15. At uubusin mo ang mga bola sa kahit anong order. Pero ang 8-ball ang huling pahuhulugin. Pero sa modified na larong ito, mas challenging kasi dapat hulugin ang bola in order. Halimbawa, kung solid balls ka, sisimulan mo sa 1 hanggang 7 at sa huli ay ang 8 ball. Sa match natin ngayon, 6 lang ang bola. Solids 1 to 6, stripes 9 to 14 at syempre ang 8 ball ang huli. Kaya mas exciting at mas tricky ang bawat tira. Ito ay parang combination ng 9-ball at 8-ball na laro. At dito nga sa unang rack, nagkaroon ng chance si Efren dahil sumablay si Mr. Rich at dito sa stripe ball si Efren. At ang huli ay ang 8-ball para sa una niyang puntos.
That does make the game really cool.
At una ngang nakapuntos ang ating legend. Magpatuloy na tayo dito sa rack 2.
He's looking at not running into the 3-ball.
Sumablay nga dito si Mr. Rich sa 3.
Coming on the table here?
He's
No, he played it off the 5. Oh, look at this. Wow.
At dito nga ang dalawang bola na lang ang dapat ihulog ni Efren.
well, the good news is he can
Panooring mabuti itong tira niya sa 13.
get underneath the 8-ball. too. And get underneath the 8-ball.
I think he's gonna cut this ball in and go 2 rails. Oh no, mind, he can't. Oh, he's in a black pocket. But look at this though.
That'll work.
Never wrong that at all.
Wow, grabe naman yun. Parang easy lang ang bank shot. At perfect na perfect sa last 8 ball. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang tirang ito mga kabilyar, pakiclick naman ng like. Maraming salamat sa suporta.
He was in the finals, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, Mike is an absolute monster. I mean, so is Rich. When I think neither of them have been playing a ton lately. I mean, to
magpatuloy na tayo dito sa napaka-exciting na rock number 3.
And it's funny, he made a post saying, "Time to dust off my cues and shoot," because he hasn't played since, and he won the thing.
Magaling ang break shot dito ni Mr. Rich at solid balls ang titirahin niya.
Shot.
You can only see a piece of it. No, you get.
Medyo mahirap talaga ang larong ito dahil dapat in order ang pag-shoot mo sa kung anong grupo ng bola ang pahuhulugin mo.
I mean, there's not much where you can leave the cue ball for him.
Wow. That's a nice shot right there.
Pero tactical din ito dahil pwede kang mag-safety shot. Gaya nung ginawa ni Efren doon, dinipensahan niya ang dos. Sinubukang mag-kick shot ni Rich kaya lang hindi tinamaan. At na-scratch pa kaya ball in hand na dito si Efren. Yung stripes ang pahuhulugin niya kaya na-shoot niya yung 9 ball. Sunod naman ay 10 ball, 11 ball at dito naman ang 13 ball.
If there's any kind of angle on that 14, he should be out.
Okay, there we go. 2 reels.
So kung mapapansin nyo, in order ang pag-shoot nila sa mga bola.
14 stun shot.
Either way.
Oh, all right.
Inside. Yeah, that works.
That works. Great, even better.
3-0
At ganun lang kadaling maubos ni Efren. Lamang na siya ng 3 racks.
Hey, you did pretty good.
Yeah, that was unexpected actually. He's very good.
Wonders-
Race to 5 lang ito mga kabilyar,
Eight ball.
kaya madali lang ito.
His
Tutok lang kayo.
Oh no. He went last.
Got it. Wow.
At ito na nga, nandito na tayo sa rack 4.
Possibly the corner. He seems to be hitting real soft.
Napaka-solid ng break ni Efren at dito ay solid balls ang uubusin niya.
Let's get the corner it goes. That's a great shot. God, like you mentioned, Kerry, to hold a cue ball like that, he makes it look easy, but it is not. That's a great shot too.
At dito ay nag-concede na si Mr. Rich sa rack na ito.
4 games.
At tara sige, punta na tayo sa rack 5.
Right in the hole.
He hit him.
At dito nga ay bokya pa rin si Mr. Rich
He's
at nasa hill na si Efren 4-0.
Right away. I would have moved it right then and there, and try, to play position on the 3 and the side.
This game carry.
Ball may make that a little challenging. Okay. You know what?
You know what?
That is
Yep.
great.
wow.
At dito nga ay hindi pa sumusuko
At the angle.
ang American player.
Close to going around. There we go.
That's a stroke right there.
Lumalaban pa ang bansang Amerika.
He looks back after and says, "Am I good?"
Nice out. There we go.
At sa wakas nakapuntos din si Mr. Rich dito 4-1.
But Efren's breaking.
There's a lot of different strategies involved. Like that last
Ball
pocket
right in
just
the hole.
totally changes it.
Yeah. Now.
Hindi pa rin talaga ako makapaniwala na kahit 64 years old na si Efren Reyes dito ay ang galing pa rin talaga niyang tumira.
You get the guys get ball in hand. He's gonna go underneath
That's that.
between them. Look at
A little
that.
bit inside.
Totoo pa rin talaga ang kasabihan na kalabaw lang ang tumatanda.
Pretty nice too. So he has many good options here. Ooh, he got a little too far on this ball. He can be okay. He's
Dahil alam niyo mga kabilyar, ang pool ay isang precision sports. Kailangan ng malinaw na mata, steady na kamay, at control sa bawat galaw. Habang tumatanda naman tayo, natural na humihina ang paningin. Sumasakit ang mga kasukasuhan,
No,
at mas magiging mahirap maglaro lalong-lalo na kung may karamdaman ka na. Mga kabilyar, pagod na ba kayo sa mabagal at blocked billiard streams? Mag-Pure VPN na. Click the link below to sign up. Stay secure with Pure VPN. Pero hanga talaga ako kay Efren Reyes sa kabila ng edad na panatili niya ang sigla ng kanyang katawan at talas ng kanyang laro hanggang ngayon. Ibang klase talaga ang dedikasyon at disiplina ng isang tunay na alamat. Nandito na pala tayo sa second set mga kabilyar at mas magaling na ang kalaban ni Efren Reyes dito, si Mr. Ryan. At ayun, nagpakitang gilas kaagad. Break and run ang unang rack. Ipagpatuloy natin ang laro dito sa rack 2. Ang mananalo sa match na ito ay tatanggap ng estimated $5,000 o nasa mahigit kumulang 300,000 pesos. At dito nga ay magaling ang break shot ni Efren Reyes. Solid group ang pinili niyang ubusin.
You can even draw back to the side rail, but I think he'll just kind of punch right down to the bottom rail. Oh yeah, okay. He went
Wow,
down.
what a stroke that was. Nice shot. And he answers with a break run of his own.
Grabe, nag-reply na si Efren. Isang break and run
Break format,
ang
so I mean,
pinamalas
Ryan,
niya.
break next.
Huwag na natin itong patagalin pa at magtungo na tayo sa rack 5.
I mean, as far as Ryan is
As long as Efren has an angle, he can just come up one
Tabla ang laro dito.
pocket.
2 sa 2.
Six.
I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't consider that easy a position.
No.
Nagkamali si Ryan dito at ball in hand na
Yeah.
si Efren sa solid balls.
Only true. That works too though, because he can pocket the 5 in the same pocket can be off the 6. Oh, that kiss actually, I think it's helpful. Helps, no, he-
Mga kabilyar, paki-comment naman saang probinsya kayo nanonood nito. Kahit nasa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao o OFW ka,
Awesome.
paki-comment kung saan ka para mabati naman kita at ma-shoutout.
Oh, he caught the point.
That's gonna be, that's a big one because he's lucky in that.
Okay.
At dito nga ay sumablay si Efren sa 8. Buti na lang walang tira si Ryan.
Oh,
Oh, he could see it full.
At ayun, magaling na depensa ni Efren sa 11 ball
See it full.
ni Ryan.
But actually,
see, that was the one thing he needed not to do. He might
Nag-jump shot ito at kanyang napatamaan.
so. Oh boy. Well,
that works out.
now
At ito na nga, panooring mabuti itong tira ni Efren sa 8 mga kabilyar.
off the ball.
Huwag kayong kukurap.
Yeah, it'll come off the back of the rail.
Oh my God!
Look at his shot.
Look at this!
Hey! I'll teach you to try to stick me, boy.
How about that for a magician shot? Unreal.
At sino naman talaga ang hindi mamangha dito? Double bank trick shot ang ginawa ng magician. Pinakis pa sa 11. Paki-comment, Efren Reyes GOAT sa baba. Sige mga kabilyar, hindi pa tapos ang laro. Nandito na tayo sa rack 6.
Call that bear ball? Is that what they call it? Something like that. I've seen it at the Expo, I think, before.
Usually just one ball or
He went for it. Look at this.
Again.
how you get it.
Jesus.
Last 8 ball na sana si Efren dito. Kaya lang sumablay siya sa double bank.
He's behind the 6. Oh, it's rolling. Oh, boy.
That's the song. That's the shot right there.
Nagkamali sa position play si Ryan kaya napilitan siyang mag-kick shot.
That's a great shot for what he had.
Mukhang walang direktang tira si Efren dito sa 8.
There he goes.
Ngunit
Real first.
panoorin nyo itong ginawa niya mga kabilyar.
That's a fabulous.
Wow, nilagyan niya ng pektos ang pamato at na rail first shot ang 8 sa pool sa corner pocket.
Hit the top side
Yeah,
of the ball and
he
leave
really did
fly.
make a great shot.
Knocked it on the ball, right in the hole, and so did the cue ball, unfortunately.
At eto na nga, mukhang nagpadala sa emosyon si Mr. Ryan. Hindi niya nakontrol ang break shot at na-scratch pa.
Come around the 10, 14. Difference on the hill.
Delikado ang kalagayan ng American player dito dahil nasa hill na si Efren. At dito nga ay solid balls ang pinili niya na open layout pa.
Do it. 5-2 in favor.
At ganun lang mga kabilyar. Tinalo ni Efren Reyes ang dalawang pro players sa sarili nitong lugar at laro. Dayon na nga siya pero siya pa rin ang nanaig. Kahit may edad na, pinatunayan niya na siya pa rin talaga ang the greatest pool player of all time. Kaya paki-like na ng video mga kabilyar at mag-subscribe na para sa mas marami pang maiinit na laban ni Efren Reyes na kagaya nito. Hanggang sa muli, God bless sa inyong lahat. Paalam.